In order to have a successful and comfortable kitchen, it is important to have a good exhaust fan. In this video, the top 5 exhaust fans will be reviewed in order to help you make a decision on which one will work best for your kitchen. The factors that will be considered are price, noise level, CFM, cubic feet per minute, and energy efficiency. Now we are watching top 5 kitchen exhaust fan. Number 1, Broan nutone AE110 Invent Flex Energy Star Qualified Single-Speed Ventilation Fan is a great option for those looking for an energy-efficient way to ventilate their home. This fan is rated for 110 CFM and 1.0 sones, making it one of the quieter fans on the market. It is also Energy Star qualified, meaning it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the EPA. Today, nearly half of all households in the United States use natural gas for heating, cooking, and drying clothes. Many of these homes are also equipped with a central ventilation system to help remove indoor air pollutants. The Broan nutone AE110 Invent Flex Energy Star Qualified Single-Speed Ventilation Fan is designed to work with these systems to provide efficient and effective removal of contaminants while also saving energy. Number 2, if you are in the market for a new kitchen ventilation exhaust fan, the Kaze appliance SNP 100 Ultra Quiet model may be just what you need. This fan is ideal for those who do not have access to an attic space. With a 100 CFM and 0.8 SON rating, this fan will provide adequate ventilation for most kitchens without being too noisy. Installation is simple and straightforward, making it a great option for do-it-yourselfers. Kaze Appliance SNP 100 Ultra Quiet Kitchen Ventilation Exhaust Extractor Fan is an excellent product for those who are looking for an affordable and durable option for their kitchen ventilation needs. This product has a very sleek design that will complement any kitchen decor, and it is also very easy to install. Number 3, the Comfee CVP30W4 AST 30-inch Ductless Duct Convertible Pyramid 350 CFM Wall Mount Vent Stainless Steel Kitchen 3-Speed Exhaust Fan is a top-of-the-line range hood that is sure to keep your kitchen well ventilated. It features a powerful 350 CFM motor, 5-layer aluminum permanent filters, and 2 LED lights. Additionally, it has a ductless option that allows you to installation without the need for ductwork. The Comfee CVP30W4 AST 30-inch Ductless Duct Convertible Pyramid 350 CFM Wall Mount Vent Stainless Steel Kitchen 3-Speed Exhaust Fan is one of the most popular exhaust fans on the market. It is made of stainless steel and is able to convert from a duct to ductless system. The fan has a 3-speed motor and is able to move 350 CFM of air. Number 4, the iPower 12-inch Shutter Exhaust Fan Aluminum High-Speed 1620 RPM, 940 CFM, 1-pack. Silver is a powerful and efficient exhaust fan that is perfect for any home or office. It features a high-speed motor that quickly and quietly removes unwanted air from your space. Additionally, the fan is made from durable aluminum that will not rust or corrode over time. We are looking for number 5 range hood. The Comfee CVU 30W4 AST 30-inch Under Cabinet Duct Ductless Convertible Slim Vent Durable Stainless Steel Kitchen Reusable Filter, 3-speed exhaust fan and 2 LED lights range hood 2.0 version is the perfect upgrade for your kitchen. This range hood is made of durable stainless steel and has a sleek design that will complement any kitchen decor. This is a big decision and you want to make sure you choose the best possible option for your home. After reading through many reviews and videos, you have finally come to a conclusion. The best kitchen exhaust fan on the market is the name of fan. This fan has everything you need and more. It is powerful, efficient, and quiet. Are you watching my video? Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and share the link. Thank you for watching this video.